Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my sale that I'm having today and today only. It is a flash sale on my new ebook, How to Start an Online Business, the 5 phases. Now, this is a new ebook that I created. This ebook is perfect for all entrepreneurs who want to start an online business, who want to stand out from their direct competitors, and who want to grow a loyal clientele. The regular price for this ebook is $25, but today and today only, I will be giving it to you all for $15. I will leave the direct link to the ebook in the description box below so you can go ahead and purchase your copy. Again, the sale ends today, June 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So today and today only, you will be able to get the ebook on sale for $15. Now is the time to start your business, grow your business, stand out from your competitors, and grow a loyal clientele. Some topics that I cover in this ebook is ways to stand out, knowing your ideal client, goals for your business, how to increase your conversion rates in your business, and how to market and advertise on YouTube and Instagram. Again, this is the perfect guide for anybody who wants to start a business. I'll also leave a review of one of the customers who left a review for the ebook, who really enjoyed it and said it was a good resource for them. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can go ahead and get your copy today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.